Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to take a look at Mines of Dalarnia, which is an amazing play to earn a game with loads of NFTs and much more. Nothing I say on this channel is financial advice, so always go away and do your own research before investing any of your own money. Without further ado, let's jump into today's video. Guys, jumping across to the Mines of Dalarnia website, which as always is a link down below in the description, so make sure you go and check it out after the video. You can see pretty cool graphics, pretty cool website in general, which has given me good confidence about the game itself and the project. If we zoom down through this page, we can see here a simulated in-game footage. So let's take a quick look at what the game footage itself looks like. So I haven't got the sound on here, guys, but you can see it's kind of like this two-dimensional sort of strategy game where you're going out and finding all these different tools by mining, etc. And then once you get those rewards can then be staked to earn further rewards or cashed out for various other items. It's lots of different lands where you can see he's exploring one here and then there's another one here, so tons of different kind of variety within the game, and ultimately it looks like the sort of game that could well become quite addictive. And an addictive game that's going to earn you money is nothing but a good thing in my opinion. There's lots of different lands and things like that, and you can scope them out on the map, and we'll take a look at those in just a moment. Coming down below we can see all of the different updates and news that's happening, so it's worth signing up to the platform as well as signing up through Twitter, which I'll show you later on in the video, so you can keep up to date with all of the latest offerings and news and things coming out. In terms of the game story then, there's a very detailed story here, which is what I really like, especially in gaming and especially in NFT projects. It's important that there's a good game story or good story behind the whole project, because it gets people's imaginations going and it brings people into the particular platform that's being introduced. Now you can see it's many years into the future, 11,752. The medical active collective rule most of the known systems. Benevolent incomprehensible AI known as the One Mind guides the collective, ensuring peace and prosperity. And then it goes into further detail about galaxy exploration. It tells you all about the new technology revolutions and so much more. And this is obviously very cool. We come down to gameplay, and again we've got more in-game footage. Into the mine, delve into the unknown dark mine, collect resources to improve your equipment and attributes so that you can face the dangers of the depths. And ultimately, when you get new things in your collection, you can also buy, trade, sell these different things. Action and adventure, blending combat and dungeon crawling, Mines of Dalarnia delivers a fresh new entry to the genre, utilizing the power of blockchain technologies. Manage and earn. Dalarnia is abundant with resources for explorers and investors to discover, collect and trade. Now you can go and discover different lands. You can also buy lands and then rent your lands onto other people. Here are an example of some of the different lands available. We've got Lunar Praxis, Terra Caldera, Terra Prime, Terra Sema. So let's just take a look at Terra Caldera. So this is really cool, guys. It comes across to this white paper here with tons of information about this particular land, and there's obviously all the information about the different lands, etc. available here. So you can come into the white paper and find out far more detail that I'm going to explain in this video, because I obviously value your time and it will take a long time to explain everything. So in terms of the features of the actual gameplay, game is truly owned by users, so fully decentralized. All the items and actions are registered on the blockchain and decentralized governance, allowing you to have a say potentially in the future of the platform and the gameplay itself. Play and earn, collect rare resources, upgrade and craft equipment, complete and win rewards. Vibrant economic incentives for growth and sustainability, open to trade and exchange NFTs, as well as lucrative rewards for landowners. We'll look into the NFTs slightly later on. In terms of the actual ecosystem, you've got the players on one side and the landowners on the other side. You can then mine resources, or the players can mine resources from the land, and the landowners can collect tax from the players. And in terms of earning DAR through staking and tournaments, that's also another way in which you can earn benefits and rewards from this particular platform. There's a newsletter here, so you can sign up and get all of the latest things coming out about it. As well as that, I want to look at the investors and partners. The Sandbox, Binance, these are huge names in crypto and crypto gaming, specifically with the Sandbox. These give me huge confidence that this is going to be a successful project, because you don't get big companies like Binance, etc. investing in projects that they don't think are going to be successful. So this is something that is giving me a warm and fuzzy feeling about this being a fantastic one, game to get involved in, and two, potential investment in my opinion. Now you can get hold of some land just by clicking on land sale at the top. Once you connect your wallet, you'll then be entered for future lotteries in order to be able to win some land. You can see that there's been a number of lotteries already, and these are all the winners down the right hand side with their ticket numbers and then the amount of tokens that they have won during each of these sessions. So if you want to get involved in future competitions, then you need to go across to Twitter, give them a follow, sign up to their email list, and much more. Sign up to the email list so you can be aware of when these lotteries are happening and how you can get involved in future ones. Now, if you want to find out a bit more about the game that I haven't really explained necessarily in this video, which I'm trying to keep short because I know your time is important, then you can click here on Media Kit and you'll see all of the different parts of the game, such as the concept of the game, logos and stuff, such as the concept of the game, gameplay screenshots, interface screenshots, game characters, and many other things. And you can use this potentially to promote the platform if you believe in it and think it's something your communities, etc. might be interested in. If you want to play now, guys, all you got to do is click up here on Play Now, and you can download either for Mac OS or Windows. And that's very cool because lots of these play-to-earn games actually aren't really available on Mac at the moment. So guys, jumping across to the Twitter, you can see 132.6 thousand followers. That's massive. It's very difficult for these platforms to get off the ground and build communities. So this is showing me that it's clearly a well-established project with lots of exciting things coming up. You can see they've got various updates coming in. The mainnet is going to be launching on the October the 13th, which is the newest upgrade with sort of various little bug fixes and things like that. But if you follow them, there's loads of opportunities to get involved in various like gameplay, various competitions, and maybe even win yourself some free NFTs, free tokens, etc. And all you got to do, click on the link down below in the description, come across to Twitter, give them a follow and see what's going on with that. Now, there's also a very cool feature in this, which is staking. And you can stake your tokens per pool. So this would be a post-launch feature plan, staking into planets. You can be a landowner and then stake DAR into the planets and then host their mining plots. This enables you to collect more earnings from the game and ultimately build your passive income through this platform. The DAR staked into a planet pool will take hours to defrost. Landowner, so you can see in terms of like the sort of the mechanism, you've got landowner, stake DAR, planet staking pool, invest DAR, purchase consumables, invest back into DAR, and you can get various different rewards and things for doing so. So in summary, guys, Mines of Dalarnia is a fantastic new play-to-earn game with tons of different features. There's NFTs you can purchase, you can do land purchases, you can work with a player to go and collect different resources from various different lands, and so many different things. If you come across to the website link down below, you can go and purchase land straight away through that by connecting your wallet, and then you can start staking rewards and things that you've earned in order to build more passive income in this player-owned game, completely decentralized platform. Guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, make sure you smash the thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you very much for doing that. And if you're new to the channel and you want to learn more about Web3, NFTs, crypto, play-to-earn games, and so much more, make sure you subscribe to be kept up to date with all of the latest happening. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you soon in the next one. Bye-bye.